again, Power Sports Nation. Today we're going to take a look at the new intake tube from Trinity. This goes from the bottom of the bed to the intake of the air filter. There's the factory one. Reason why we're replacing it is because this factory one is, I don't know why they made it so flimsy. And I know I've read and seen some things, and I'm sure it's happened on this thing, especially if it didn't, I'm sure it will be now with the performance add-ons we've done. But you can see how flimsy this is compared to the Trinity one. So there's a look at it. It's nice rubber, firm. So we're gonna get it put on and see how well it fits. So let's do that. All right, so here we go. It's just 2 clamps. The smaller end slides onto the air filter box. The larger end goes up into the bottom of the bed. Looks like it fits good. Get the clamps tightened up. There it is. Good fit. Doesn't smash, especially in this corner right here. That factory one was just really flimsy. You know, I don't know why they build them like that. I guess they're trying to be cheap. I don't know. But I have to say, the finish is great. Again, we've got no shocks on here, as you can see, so it makes it a lot easier to work on. Hopefully those shocks will be back next week and we can get all that put back on. But again, everything that I've gotten from Trinity, I have no complaints over. We've got their full exhaust system. That went on, fits great. Got that intake tube, that fits great. They've been great to work with. Easy to talk to, answer questions. So again, that's the intake tube from Trinity. And that's about it for that one. We've got, I'm going to start working on getting that new Viper V2 winch installed in the front bumper here next. So we ran into a few issues with the fitment, and we'll go through that here in the very near future. So make sure you subscribe below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.